To create delicious and nutritious juice recipes, having the right tools on hand is essential. First and foremost, a high-speed blender is crucial for efficiently blending your ingredients into a smooth, drinkable consistency. Additionally, nut milk bags are invaluable for straining your juices, allowing you to achieve a smooth texture by removing any pulp or fibrous bits. Cotton bags are reusable and eco-friendly, making them a sustainable choice. In addition, consider having measuring cups, a cutting board, and a sharp knife ready for chopping your fresh ingredients. Having a funnel can also be helpful for pouring your juices into storage containers without making a mess. Let's dive into our first juice recipe, which is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. This vibrant juice features a combination of fresh citrus fruits, ginger, turmeric, and turkey tail extract, making it a powerhouse for your immune system. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons, are rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and keeping your body healthy, especially during flu season. In addition to the citrus, this juice recipe includes ginger and turmeric, both renowned for their anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with colds and flu. Turmeric, on the other hand, boasts curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that can help combat chronic inflammation in the body. Together, these ingredients create a powerful blend that not only supports your immune system but also promotes overall wellness. To elevate the immune-boosting effects of this juice, we introduce turkey tail extract, a medicinal mushroom known for its remarkable immune support properties. Rich in polysaccharides, turkey tail extract enhances the immune response and helps the body fight off pathogens more effectively. By combining these ingredients, this juice recipe becomes a delicious and effective way to fortify your health. Simply blend the citrus fruits with ginger, turmeric, and a splash of turkey tail extract. Strain and enjoy this invigorating juice to give your immune system the boost it needs. Our second juice recipe is a delightful blend that not only tastes great but also offers a unique array of health benefits. This invigorating juice features strawberries, blueberries, beets, and ashwagandha, making it a fantastic choice for those looking to enhance their vitality. Strawberries and blueberries are both rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. These vibrant berries are packed with vitamins and minerals, helping to boost your immune system while also promoting healthy skin and overall well-being. In addition to the antioxidant-rich berries, this juice recipe incorporates beets, known for their remarkable energy-boosting properties. Beets are high in nitrates, which can improve blood flow and enhance athletic performance, making them an excellent choice for anyone needing a natural energy lift. Coupled with beets, ashwagandha, a powerful adaptogenic herb, adds another layer of benefits. Ashwagandha is renowned for its ability to reduce stress and fatigue while enhancing stamina and mental clarity. This combination of ingredients creates a juice that not only revitalizes your body but also supports your mental focus. Encouraging viewers to try this juice recipe is easy, as it offers a delicious way to experience a natural energy boost without the crash associated with caffeine or sugary drinks. Simply blend the strawberries, blueberries, cooked beets, and a scoop of ashwagandha powder. Strain and enjoy this refreshing juice to kickstart your day or recharge during an afternoon slump. This vibrant concoction is sure to leave you feeling energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Our third juice recipe is a refreshing and flavorful blend that's perfect for those new to juice recipes. This vibrant concoction features pineapple, mint, and a hint of lime, creating a delightful flavor profile that is both tropical and invigorating. Pineapple is not only delicious, but also packed with digestive benefits thanks to its high content of bromelain, an enzyme that aids in breaking down proteins and promoting healthy digestion. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to support their gut health while enjoying a tasty treat. For beginners, this milder recipe is an ideal starting point. The sweetness of the pineapple balances beautifully with the zesty lime, making it easy to drink and enjoyable for those who may be hesitant about trying juice recipes. The addition of fresh mint elevates the flavor even further, providing a refreshing burst that complements the tropical notes of the pineapple. Mint is known for its soothing properties, helping to alleviate digestive discomfort and promote a sense of calm. To prepare this juice recipe, simply blend fresh pineapple chunks with a squeeze of lime juice and a handful of mint leaves. Then strain for a smooth finish. This vibrant juice not only tastes great, but also offers a host of health benefits, making it a fantastic addition to your wellness routine. Encourage viewers to give this recipe a try, as its refreshing taste and digestive benefits make it a perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their health in a delicious way. Enjoy this revitalizing juice as a delightful way to kickstart your day, or as a refreshing pick-me-up. Our fourth juice recipe is a refreshing blend that combines elderberry extract and cucumber, making it not only hydrating but also incredibly beneficial for your immune system. Elderberry extract has gained recognition for its powerful immune-boosting properties, particularly during cold and flu season. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, elderberries are known to help reduce the severity and duration of respiratory infections, making this juice a fantastic choice for anyone looking to fortify their defenses against seasonal illnesses. In addition to the immune support provided by elderberry, this juice recipe features cucumber, which is renowned for its hydration benefits. Cucumbers are composed of about 95% water, making them an excellent source of hydration, especially during the colder months when we may forget to drink enough fluids. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining overall health and supporting your immune system, as proper hydration helps your body function optimally. To prepare this juice recipe, simply blend fresh cucumber with elderberry extract and a splash of lemon juice for added flavor. Strain the mixture to achieve a smooth consistency and enjoy this revitalizing juice as a delicious way to support your health. Encourage viewers to make this juice a staple in their wellness routine, particularly during cold and flu season, as it combines the immune-boosting properties of elderberry with the refreshing hydration of cucumber. This delightful juice not only tastes great, but also serves as a proactive measure to keep your immune system strong and ready to combat any seasonal challenges that may arise. Our fifth juice recipe is a vibrant blend that highlights the nutritional benefits of carrots, turmeric, and ginger, making it a powerhouse for your health. Carrots are the star ingredient in this juice, celebrated for their high beta-carotene content, which is a precursor to vitamin A. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining eye health, supporting vision, and promoting overall skin health. Incorporating carrots into your wellness routine can help protect your eyes from age-related issues and enhance your overall well-being. In addition to carrots, this juice recipe features turmeric, known for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body, making it beneficial for those dealing with chronic pain or inflammatory conditions. Combining turmeric with carrots creates a potent blend that not only supports eye health but also promotes a healthy inflammatory response. To prepare this juice recipe, simply blend fresh carrots with a piece of ginger and a teaspoon of turmeric. The ginger adds a zesty kick and further enhances the anti-inflammatory benefits of the juice. Encourage viewers to adjust the potency of ginger and turmeric according to their taste preferences, as some may prefer a milder flavor, while others may enjoy a more robust spice. Strain the mixture for a smooth finish and enjoy this nutrient-dense juice as a delicious way to support your health. This vibrant concoction is not only tasty, but also serves as a fantastic addition to your wellness routine, promoting eye health and reducing inflammation with every sip. Our final juice recipe is a refreshing green blend that combines the powerful benefits of chlorophyll-rich greens, cucumbers, and celery, making it a nutrient-packed addition to your health regimen. Chlorophyll, the green pigment found in plants, is known for its detoxifying properties and ability to support overall health. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals in the body and promote cellular health. Incorporating chlorophyll-rich ingredients into your diet can enhance your energy levels and support your immune system. In this juice recipe, we also include cucumbers and celery, both of which are excellent sources of hydration. Cucumbers are composed of about 95% water, making them a fantastic way to stay hydrated, while celery is also high in water content and provides essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium and vitamin K. This combination not only helps keep you hydrated, but also supports healthy digestion and overall wellness. To prepare this invigorating juice recipe, blend together fresh greens, cucumber and celery, adding a squeeze of lemon for a zesty kick. Strain the mixture for a smooth texture and enjoy this refreshing juice as part of your morning routine. Encouraging viewers to incorporate this nutrient-dense juice into their daily regimen can help them start their day on a healthy note. With its rich mineral content and hydrating properties, this green juice recipe is a delicious way to boost your health, enhance your energy, and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Embrace the power of greens and enjoy the benefits with every sip. As we wrap up our exploration of juice recipes, let's recap the 6 delicious recipes we've covered and their impressive health benefits. First, we introduced a citrus-based juice featuring elderberry extract, which is fantastic for immune support. Next, we blended strawberries, blueberries, beets, and ashwagandha for a vibrant juice that boosts energy and provides antioxidants. Our third recipe highlighted pineapple, mint, and lime, offering digestive benefits and a refreshing taste. The fourth juice combined elderberry and cucumber, promoting hydration and immune health, while the fifth recipe showcased carrots, turmeric, and ginger, focusing on eye health and anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, we wrapped up with a green juice of chlorophyll-rich greens, cucumber, and celery, emphasizing hydration and detoxification. We encourage you to try these recipes and discover which ones resonate with your taste buds and health goals. Feel free to experiment with the ingredients, adjusting flavors and potency to suit your preferences. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so share your favorite juice recipes in the comments below. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated on more health tips and recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By liking this video and exploring our other content, you'll gain access to a wealth of information designed to support your wellness journey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll continue to explore delicious ways to enhance your health and well-being.